Ito yung buy one take one. Buy one get one free baby back ribs sa Big Beast. Taste test. Look. So, ayan guys. Nandito na naman tayo. Buy one get one free. Raka by baby ribs. Big Beast, Iloilo. Big Beast. Madami na sila. Madami kumakain dito. You must try, guys. Para naman kakain. So, guys, it's Wednesday. Buy one, get one free. Reka by Baby Solo. Yan. All-time favorite. Also, na-try na namin nung Monday yung pasta. Hi. Ba't ka nakakap ngayon, Charek? Kasi kakain ako sa Big Beast. Bakit, Charek?
Kasi umuulan, tapos mag-aaraw na naman, tapos umuulan na naman.
Kung pupunta kayo dito guys for lunch time and dinner, dapat mas early para hindi kayo maabutan ng pila. Madami din kasi naghihintay para mag-avail ng buy one take one. May other menus naman sila. Masarap din yung nachos na try na namin. Yung pizza na try na din namin, masarap. Afternoon. Thank you. So, dito kami kakain for buy one take one ribs. Yung last sa festive. Ito ba, ma'am? Okay, thank you. Available ang back ribs nga buy one take one. Isa ka orders. May strawberry mango shake. Isa lang mandagan. That's all.
If order naman sir, sa buy one take one na baby back ribs, then sa strawberry mango shake.
Mango shake. Thank you.
15 to 20 minutes ma'am sir, serving time.
Okay, thank you. Sorry day guys. Ito yung buy one take one. Buy one get one free baby back ribs sa Big Beast. Taste test. Sarap na to. Tapos masarap pag may sauce din. Look. Taste test. Favorite. 375. Dalawa na yung makukuha mo kasi every Wednesday na buy one get one free. Diba? Sulit. Every Monday naman is pasta. Pasta Monday. Mga 335 ata yung pasta. Depende kasi may yung carbonara is 330, yung spaghetti 285 or 300. Top. Mga ilang beses na kami kumain dito. Para sa buy one get one free. Pero sulit naman. Like, yes, very sulit.
Okay na.
Yes.
Okay na to.
BBS, all-time favorite.